how's it going? Today we're going to talk about Higgsfield, the greatest AI generation, like video generation tool out there. It's one of the cinema studios that it has, which is unparalleled in its abilities, right? Let's start with the cinema studio. Like a quick walkthrough of the tool is you can explore different styles, you can create images, and there are options to create unlimited images. The only catch is they're a little slower in generation. You can generate videos. While generating the videos, you get an option to choose a ton of models from. So let's say Higgsfield Light, Turbo, OpenAI Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro Max, right? And the difference is the bigger model you choose, the greater number of credits that it will use. So currently, I'm on the ultimate plan, which gives me about 1200 credits. It costs me about $49 a month, right? So now here in VO, Google VO, it provides VO 3.1 access. Kling, it provides the greatest Kling model, which is Kling 2.6, right? These kind of abilities it provides. In the edit, it gives you a chance to paint on top of a video. So the way you saw the models phone, sorry, the book was replaced by the tablet, and the books on the table were replaced by a cake, right? That's in painting. The tool that we are here to discuss is more the cinema studio. So we come here and I have a working copy. So basically, I asked ChatGPT to give me a comprehensive prompt where two deities, which is Lord Krishna and Radharani, they are doing Raslila. They're playing, right? The divine play. And while generating, I'm using a RE Alexa 35 camera. And these cameras are generally that are used in IMAX and PVRs and other movie shooting scenes. And these lenses are like the outputs of these lenses have been like used to train these models, right? The focal length, how wide the shot should be, how big the aperture should be, right? Choosing all of that, we can describe a prompt. The prompt that was written by ChatGPT was giving a prompt that they are doing a divine Leela in the area of Vrindavan. There were Krishna is blue skinned, a feather crown, an ornate flute, and things of that nature. And then it explains and it describes Radharani, then it describes the background. Thereafter, the negative prompt, which is don't need text, don't need watermarks, logos, modern clothing, or anything, don't need blurry faces, don't need any like nudity or anything. That's the negative prompt. These are the things that we don't need. In terms of the resolution, we can set for the highest resolution and then click on generate. Since I already have the output which I saw like showed at the start of the video, so I'm aiming for that. So let's say in terms of the preview, how we started was used Nano Banana Pro as an external option. We can choose it directly here as well and generated a start frame and an end frame. So this is what they look like. This is the start frame. No, sorry, my bad. This is the start frame where they are nearby, and this is the end frame where they are running. So anything in between we want them to do, we explain it here. We give the aspect ratio, so whether we need a wide screen or we need a short type of video, and then we say the duration. Thereafter, we say how many samples do I need. So with this, with a two batch sample, this kind of output came. So I generated two such videos. You can hover over it and let it preview, let it play, right? And if we closely look at it in the gallery view, what happens is hovering over it, you get to see the actual outcome, right? In one of the outcomes, it had jagged the teeth of Lord Krishna, so I didn't want jagged teeth. And thereafter, the end frame of the previous video became the start frame of the next video, and that ways it maintains character consistency. So At the end, they were playing a colorful game. That's what the let's say logo I asked this, I mean to say the image I asked it to generate, and Nano Banana Pro had generated such an image, right? So it started with they running around as this video, this 10-second video, and the end was that they're applying colors to each other, right? And then we click on generate. So that's what it is about this one. In the motion control, we get to paint another face on top of a video. That's a Instagram thing. Let's say you get to edit a video if you want to edit 10 seconds of a video using prompts, we can do that, right? And we can attach images and then extend the outcome of one video and then add another image and animate it. It provides various video generation models like Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro Max, Pro Max. Like the selection of this basically changes the number of credits it's going to use. So with the ultimate plan, I get about 1200 and costing me $50, right? And then in the event that we go with the higher plan, right? We can get a very high limit. So you don't look at the pricing, you can go to the pricing page and there you can get to know what it is that they are offering. So they're saying the creator plan is 119 if you go for the annual. If you go for monthly, it's about 149. So that's pretty much it. Thereafter, I put the videos into Canva, into a local video editor, merged them together, generated the song from Suno.ai, which I already generated, merged them together, and the outcome was enjoyed by everybody. Hope you like the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.